Welcome to a thing we call lake time. Lake time is a little different than the usual day-to-day. The clock runs a bit slower, every cast lands right where you want it to, and the schedule is as clear as the water lapping the shoreline. Book your stay with us at Grand Lake of the Cherokees RV Resort in Grove, Oklahoma, and settle into lake time with friends and family as you make the most of moments spent together and conveniences right at your fingertips. When you settle into life at our pace, the day opens up to you to enjoy it however you want, with zero pressure and endless possibilities. Come stay a while, feel the waterfront welcome, and relax in the great outdoors the way it's meant to be experienced. There's a leisure that's waiting at every campsite, reminding us of the reasons we go camping and treating us to the beauty of lake time at Grand Lake of the Cherokees RV Resort. Our journey is your journey. Let's go there together.